Welcome back to Faiza's Kitchen, and today we will be making mahamri. Our ingredients today are flour, cardamom powder, yeast, sugar, margarine, milk. Okay, so we're going to start off by pouring our yeast into our flour. So these are 2 packets. My flour is 2.5 cups. I've used 2 packets of yeast, and these are equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm going to use also 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. I'll be using 2 cups and a quarter of sugar. If this is your first time to visit my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for subscribing to my video. Give it a good mix. Mix it well until the sugar is not seen. You can use your hands so you can feel it. Okay, once this is mixed, you can do 2 tablespoons of margarine and a little bit of oil and heat it on the stove. So we want this to be hot. Once this is hot, we are going to mix it on our flour. Mix it well. This is hot, so you don't want to use your hands. Okay. For the milk, we are going to warm it up because this milk is from the fridge, so we warm it up a little bit while our dough is cooling down. So we don't want to boil our milk, we are just warming it up. I hope you like this video and you're going to make this recipe at home. I know mandazis are everybody's favorite, or mahamri. This is actually mahamri, not mandazi. I've used milk, but you can use coconut. You can cook mahamris without milk, without coconut, only by using water, whichever way you prefer. Okay, so we are going to knead our dough until it's soft. Once the dough is soft, you can keep it to rest for like an hour or 45 minutes. Okay, once it's ready, we can cut into small doughs. Make a good round, and we will be making circle here, little big circle, and then cut them into triangular shape. All right, so once this process is over, we will be making our mahamri, guys. And mahamris are very, very delicious snacks. We can have them with tea, and we actually prefer them with tea. Tea with milk, coffee. You can have them with stew, beans, coconut beans, pigeon peas with coconut, whichever way you like. Okay, so do the same process until they are all done. And once they are done, this is how our mahamris are going to be looking when they are cooked. And They are very, very delicious, guys. I hope you like this recipe and try it. It is very, very easy to make. Okay, so my mahamris are ready, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.